on our way home. We're home. My little compound. CheeBa. CheeBa, get your ball. Come on. After all that swimming, she still wants to just play. It's a gorgeous day. AirSportsUSA. Walking to the pad. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There it is. It is open. Anyways, this is mi house, mi casa. That out there's Nederland, Colorado. Some of my toys. It's beautiful scenery. It's March 21st, 2013. This is me home. I sleep up in the loft. I got a roommate moving in here tomorrow. Caitlin from Florida. Anyways, we're in Nederland, Colorado. I'm a caregiver. 6 patients. Don't have no buds going in there or nothing, but this is my house. My backyard. A bunch of mining shafts up there. This is all mining around here. Tungsten and silver. Anyways, that's me home. My plants, my fireplace, my cold doggy, my cold doggy. Anyways, just sharing. Peace out, guys. Mark, AirSportsUSA.